What if your own body stopped obeying your commands? Imagine wanting to take a simple step forward, but your feet refuse to move. Imagine your hands shaking uncontrollably. Every movement becomes a battle. This is the reality of Parkinson's disease, a neurological disorder that affects millions of people worldwide. Today, we will uncover the truth behind Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease is a progressive neurological disorder that affects movement, balance, and coordination. It develops gradually and becomes more severe over time. The disease was first described in 1817 by James Parkinson, who referred to it as the shaking palsy. Today, Parkinson's disease affects more than 10 million people around the world. What happens inside the brain? To understand Parkinson's disease, we must first look inside the brain. Deep within the brain is a region called the substantia nigra, which produces a chemical messenger known as dopamine. Dopamine helps control movement, coordination, and balance. In people with Parkinson's disease, the cells that produce dopamine gradually die. As dopamine levels decrease, communication between different parts of the brain becomes disrupted. As a result, movements become slower, less controlled, and more difficult. The symptoms of Parkinson's disease often begin slowly and may go unnoticed at first. One of the earliest signs is a slight tremor, usually in the hand or fingers. As the disease progresses, patients may experience shaking or tremors, muscle stiffness, slowed movement, difficulty maintaining balance, changes in posture, soft or slurred speech. Many patients also experience non-motor symptoms such as depression, anxiety, sleep problems, and memory difficulties. These symptoms can significantly affect a person's quality of life. Scientists still do not know the exact cause of Parkinson's disease. However, research suggests that a combination of genetic and environmental factors may contribute to its development. Age is one of the biggest risk factors. Most cases occur after the age of 60. Family history may also increase risk, although most patients do not inherit the disease directly. Researchers are continuing to investigate possible links between environmental exposures and Parkinson's disease. Currently, there is no cure for Parkinson's disease. However, several treatments can help manage symptoms. The most common medication is levodopa, which helps increase dopamine levels in the brain. Physical therapy, exercise, speech therapy, and occupational therapy can also help patients maintain mobility and independence. In some advanced cases, a surgical procedure called deep brain stimulation may be used to reduce symptoms. Although these treatments do not cure the disease, they can greatly improve quality of life. Scientists around the world are working to develop better treatments and ultimately a cure. New research focuses on protecting brain cells, restoring dopamine production, and detecting the disease earlier than ever before. Every breakthrough brings new hope to millions of patients and families affected by Parkinson's disease. Parkinson's disease is more than a movement disorder. It is a condition that challenges a person's independence, confidence, and daily life. The human body may tremble, but the human spirit remains strong. And with every scientific discovery, we move one step closer to a future without Parkinson's disease. Thank you for watching.